Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Since Day One. Before we get into this video about R. Kelly and the reason why he missed his court date today, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and if you are new, smash that subscribe button to take flight with us.
Fake love, I don't need it, you can keep it, that's a fact. I had to make up my mind. I took that weight on my shoulders. I done been down for...
R. Kelly's officially got problems, y'all, from head to toe. An infection on one of his little feet forced him to miss a date with the judge, y'all. And the singer's lawyer, Steve Greenberg, says R. Kelly was absent from federal court in Chicago on Wednesday because he had an infection that required his toenail to be removed. R. Kelly was worried that someone would step on his toe if he appeared in the courtroom. Like, how silly is that? According to Greenberg, he adds that R. Kelly is in a walking boot as he recovers from the infection and procedure. As for the hearing, it was mostly procedural, and just the lawyers for both sides were present. No defendants were there either. The next hearing was scheduled for February of 2020. The case is one of several cases against R. Kelly. He's also facing federal charges in New York and has state cases in Illinois and Minnesota. And it's currently no word if any future hearings for any of those cases will be impacted by the bump and grinding of his toenail. Do y'all get it? Bump and grind? Just nasty. Let's go ahead and watch this next clip about what R. Kelly's attorney, Steve Greenberg, had to say about R. Kelly himself not showing up for the court date.
So Mr. Kelly had an infection in his foot. They had to pull off his toenail to treat it, and he's in a walking boot because of that. He didn't want to come today because in the process, when you're handcuffed to other inmates and so forth, someone could step on your foot. They step on your foot and your toenail's been pulled off. It could be quite painful. Which toenail? I don't have the details on which toenail, but that's a good hard-hitting question. I don't know which foot either. I don't know if it's the right foot or the left foot, but I know it's one of the two.
So regardless of his appearance here, what happened today and where are we?
So the two defendants, Daryl McDavid and Kelly, we filed a motion to dismiss some of the counts dealing with obstruction, chiefly because we think that the statute of limitations has been blown. And we also think that legally the counts are insufficient, that as a matter of law they aren't going to be able to prove it. The allegations don't comply with the allegations they need to make in order to make a case for obstruction. The judge set a briefing schedule on it. The government's got 5 weeks to file a response, which is actually a long time. And then we've got about a month, which is again longer, but with the holidays, the judge was quite keen. He's not going to look at it till the first of the year anyway.
Leave your thoughts and opinions down below and let me know how y'all feel about this, guys, because it just seems like R. Kelly is doing whatever he can not to have to sit in on his consequences that he has brung on himself. And Steve Greenberg knows which foot it is. Dang, it's not that hard, left or right. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. And before we get out of here, I just want to let you know I love y'all and I'll see y'all in the next video.
So long, sleeping from sofa to sofa. Now I'ma step on these little bitty bitches. Here's some brand new Gucci low, some Gucci walking on. I got tired of eating Big Mama's chicken. Now it's business when I walk.